Orcas. Talking about Orca society, it is a complex and structured around matter lines. These groups are led by the eldest female and they can include multiple generations. Orca communicate using a range of vocalizations such as clicks, whistles, and calls, which allow them to coordinate activities, share information, and maintain social bonds. They also exhibit cultural behaviors such as unique hunting techniques and social rituals that are passed down through generations. Their social structures can vary based on where they live. There are generally three types of orcas. Resident orcas. They stay in one area and primarily eat fish. The transient orcas. These orcas roam and hunt marine mammals like seals and whales. And then we have offshore orcas that live in the open ocean and typically hunt fish, including sharks. Also, orcas can be found in oceans all over the world, from the Arctic and Antarctic regions to tropical seas. They tend to prefer coastal areas but are also found in deep ocean waters. Specific populations are found in the Pacific Northwest, around the coast of Alaska, Canada, and the US, Norway, and Iceland, particularly the coastal waters, New Zealand and Australia, and finally Antarctica. Each population of the orcas may have its own territory or migratory patterns depending on its specific feeding habits. Orcas, talking about danger of extinction, are not currently classified as endangered globally, but some populations are at risk. The conservation status of orcas varied. For example, resident orcas, particularly the southern resident killer whales found off the coast of the Pacific Northwest, are critically endangered. There are only about 75 individuals left in these populations. They are threatened by a lack of food, primarily Chinook, salmon, the main prey, and the pollution and boat traffic. The transient orcas and offshore orcas are generally considered less threatening because they have more stable populations and better access to food sources. Threats to orcas include overfishing, climate change, habitat loss, pollution, and noise pollution from ships, which disrupt the communication and hunting. Finally, what we can do to help them is, for example, reduce the plastic pollution because orcas, like many marine animals, are harmed by ocean pollution. And reducing plastic waste, we can support the efforts to clean the oceans and protect orcas and also other marine life in order to have like a better balance in our oceans and also to protect not only the orcas, also like all the marine creatures, for example turtles, that also tend to suffer of this danger.